3 by Unyot. Bani, rest back for 3. No good. Rebound by Arnel. Arnel, pass to Arpak. Bani, umatras. Tomera. Bam! Bani, 2 points. Mahal kayo komentator, bardi na niyo ha? Abando, pass to Unyot, Tomera na naman. No good, air ball. No. Foul, holding foul by Poldi. President Manggubat. Score. Noibi size. Noibi. 7-9. Sa bulak kay Polding. Pass to Abando. Out of bounds. Sayang sa assist. Arnold for 3. No good. Rebound by Abando. Abando pinasa kay Unyot. 1-2 defense. Drive. Pass to nice basket. Stan. Score 10-7. Layup assisted by Unyot. Bunny, no good. Yes, out of bounds. Pass to Unyot again. Back to RJ. Pass to Jackie. Dribbling. Stan, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Arnold. Basket. 8-0. 8-10 ang score. Unyot, basket, layup, blocked by Stan. Bam, rebound by RG, basket. Wow, RG. Nice assist. I like that. For 3. Romeo. Back pass to Stan. Stan tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound. Pick up by number 52. Abando tumira ng 3. Pinasa kay Unyot. Yes sir. Unyot basket. Jack, caught in the Akadria. Jack. Arnel, no good. Rebound by RG. RG pinasa kay Polding, the president of the TG Ball Club. Pass to Jack. Assist to Abandos. Umiere. Nice basket. Position. Arnold's team. Bunny, jump shot, no. Rebound by RJ. RJ. Pass break. Going to the basket. Layup. Penetrate. Yes. Nice one, RJ. Arnel. Pinasa kay Arnold. Arnel to Arnold. Arnold. Yes, sir. Yes, live din ko sa guys ni atong basketball coverage diri sa Camilla TGEC Ball Club and sa mga membros ta TG Tiguang. Nice Jack. So holiday karon ko sa moog ni naghiusan ka schedule do Arnold for 3. 3. Arnold. Onyot, may tanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Abando. Abando, penetrate. Going to the basket. Layup pass to Arnel. Back to no good. Ato review niya. RJ pass to Jackie. Jackie pass to Abando. Yes. Ayot, tumira 3. No good. Rebound by RJ. Pass to Abando. Nice. Nice one assist RJ. Nice one. And salamat sa tong referee karong adlaw Sir June Mondilla. Yes, good morning guys. Kini yung DJ nga way station and yung konsyal nga way barangay. Alright, tumiran 3, Bunny, no, rebound. Pass to Arnel, bad pass. Bad pass, but good basket to the opponent. Alright, Jackie, position. Arno up, President Mangobat, yes sir. Leopoldo 2 points. Arnel. Nag-isa pinasa kay Sure.
Nice one. Tulo.
Yes. Score. 8. 8-15.
Tira.
Bunny, tumira na 3.
Bang.
Bang! No good. Rebound by Arnold.
Bola.
Bad shot. Good attention, but penetrate by Arnold Discarte. Nice basket. Stan ang layo.
Dua kamu. Ban.
For 3. Stan, tumira na 3. No good. Rebound by RJ. Foul. Position. So, basta ang basket nga score na 9 to 10, 15. Medyo serious na yung score. Ang dua. So, a little bit physical. For shot. Okay.
Bye.
Bunny for 3. No good. Foul. Noivy City. Duhay labaw guro. Si Noivy City. So this is one shot to 2 points. So it's game's position. Kung masyadong 2 points. So this race to 21. So inani ang liga sa Cebu. Yes, nice assist. So Sabado, Anay, 2017. Abando. Abando. For the game. O may pinsa layo? Arnold for 3. Nice game. So that's the end of the game. Building ato ang YouTube. So best player of the day on youth. And alright. So thank you. And that's the end our video for today. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning.
Dara. Manay, thank you. Konsyal, dara. Thank you, guys. Whew. Nice game, mga ka.